In the north of the Netherlands, far away from the daily hustle and bustle, you will find Giethoorn. It's a quirky village which can only be visited by boat. Many houses are built on small islands. There are 176 bridges to connect the islands. The only transport is by boat over the water. Nowadays, the boats are many times used by the tourists. But in the past, water transport was often used to move livestock. Many houses in this village have thatched roofs. They use the reeds from the water's edge. The only land connection in this village is a narrow path that goes from the north to the south. By excavating the pit soil around the village, many lakes and canals have been created. You will find Giethoorn in about 1 hour drive from Amsterdam.